Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Kasa Smart app and reset KP links, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Kasa Smart app, start by locating the app icon on your device. Press and hold the Kasa Smart app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall. Confirm your choice by selecting OK or Yes when prompted. Your device will begin the uninstallation process. Once the app is uninstalled, the next step is to reset the KP Smart plug. Locate the Reset button on your KP Smart plug. The Reset button is usually on the side or the bottom of the device. Using a paperclip or a similar object, press and hold the Reset button. Hold the button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You should see the LED indicator light start to flash rapidly. This indicates that the KP Smart plug is now in the reset mode. After the light starts flashing, release the Reset button. Wait for the light to stop flashing and then turn solid. This means your KP Smart plug has successfully reset. You can now proceed to reinstall the Kasa Smart app if desired. Go to your device's App Store. Search for Kasa Smart. Download and install the app again. Open the newly installed Kasa Smart app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your KP Smart plug. You are now ready to use your Kasa Smart plug with the app again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.